Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. Today we will learn how to factory reset iPhone without password or PC. Way 1. Factory reset iPhone via Forgot Passcode option. On the iPhone lock screen, tap Forgot Passcode option on the lower right corner. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. OK, enter the linked Apple password. Tap Erase iPhone, and your iPhone will be erased. Finally, the iPhone restarts as a new one. Way to factory reset iPhone via iCloud. Find My. Open iCloud.com on any device. Sign in iCloud.com with the Apple account that is linked to your locked iPhone. After that, click Find My option. Alright, enter your Apple password again. Now select your iPhone from the All Devices list. Then hit the Erase this device option. Hit the Next button. OK, enter the Apple password again. Hit Next, then click Erase button. The iPhone will be erased soon. Way 3. Factory reset an iPhone without Apple password. iTunes should be installed on your computer. After that, go to iShare.com and download the iShare iPhone Passcode Genius. iShare iPhone Passcode Genius is the best choice to reset a locked iPhone without passcode. After the download and installation, just open it on your computer. Alright. From this simple interface, select Unlock Lock Screen to start. Click the Start button. And then get your locked iPhone connected with your computer. Make sure your iPhone is in recovery mode. OK, the computer just recognizes the locked iPhone. So here, just simply confirm the device information and allow it to download an appropriate iOS firmware for the iPhone. All of these is to get ready for the unlock. When the download is finished, click the Unlock button to proceed. So now, as you can see, here's a loading bar. When it finishes, the iPhone will be totally unlocked, just like this. You see, no more passcode required. Just swipe up and go through the setup. And now the iPhone can be used again. That's all for the video.